Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to a Kali Linux machine from this Windows 11 machine, and we'll be using the inbuilt SSH client. Now on the Kali Linux machine, let's go to the Kali Linux machine. Here we just need to make sure that we have SSH installed and running. I'm just going to open the terminal. I'll quickly check the version of Kali Linux. We'll do cat xc os release. So it's version 2025.4. We can do which SSH to check whether SSH is installed. Yes, it's installed. If SSH wasn't installed, let's go ahead and look at the command to install it. You can do sudo apt install open SSH server here, and that would install it. So it says it's already installed. Now to check the status, you do sudo systemctl status SSH. In our case, it's active running and it's enabled. That way it can run or it can start when the system boots up. If it wasn't enabled, if it wasn't active and running, you can do sudo systemctl start SSH, and you can use enable SSH to enable it. Now we just need the IP address on this machine. I can do IP address, and it's 192.168.1.165. Now on the Windows 11 machine, just open the command prompt, or you can use PowerShell. So just do cmd. Now to SSH to the Kali Linux machine, before you SSH into it, you can try and see if you can ping it. Ping 192.168.1.165, and sure enough I can ping it. Now to SSH, you use SSH, then the username, @ the IP address 192.168.1.165. Yes. Put in the password. And there you are. You're logged in remotely using SSH. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect remotely to a Kali Linux machine from a Windows 11 machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.